Welcome back. If you are looking for those last minute ideas for just now starting your Christmas shopping, we've got an idea for you. The Girl Scouts have their fall product line out now. Joining us this morning with all the details, Lauren Slam from the Girl Scouts of the Missouri Heartland. Thank you for joining us, Lauren.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm always excited to talk about Girl Scouts. Something really cool that we're doing is fall product. It's actually something that happens every year, and it kind of gets overlooked because it is a secret. It's only a friends and family sale, so you have to know a Girl Scout, or maybe there's one in your neighborhood. Make sure to reach out to her because you don't want to miss out. We have 16 different products ranging from magazines, candies, chocolates, nuts. I have the chocolate raisins in my room right now. Always got to have some on me. But it actually ends really soon. So November 22nd is the cutoff, but it'll be here right in time for the holidays. So make sure to reach out.
And like you said, this is a friends and family sale. So if you know someone who knows a Girl Scout, get with them very soon.
Oh, yeah. Or sign up a Girl Scout. That's another great way to get
that's
them.
A great
Always
idea.
Make sure.
And I'm assuming Girl Scouts take sign-ups year-round.
Yes, we do. Our main season is fall, so we're kind of getting to the end of that, but we have extended it to December. But you really can join anytime. Just make sure to find a troop near you, and you can find that out online on our website.
And Girl Scouts is always evolving and doing different activities and stuff. Do you want to highlight some of the things that Girl Scouts are known for and what they have planned for the spring?
Oh, yeah. I mean, the number one thing that we're known for, obviously, is cookies. And we did launch a new one, which is in my room. This is the Adventurefuls. It is a brownie-inspired caramel cream top sea salt accented cookie. It is amazing. I wish I could share through the screen. But that's kind of our biggest thing. It does start in January and it ends in March. So it's coming up. It's right around the corner. Something else that we're really known for is our summer camps, which are just outstanding. If you've ever gotten the chance to go or to tour, we have rope courses, zip lines, teaching girls to shoot bow and arrows, canoeing. Like, it's insane how much we really make sure to hit on those main focus points like STEM, the outdoors, relationships, developments. It's so broad.
Well, and the big thing about the cookie sales too, those start in January. It's not just about buying and selling cookies. It's about teaching girls how to basically run their own business, how to, have those social skills, how to get out there, to look outside the box and, to grow.
Exactly. You get it completely. It's all about goal setting. We actually have 5 different five different goals that girls learn, like 5 essential skills: goal setting, decision making, money management, people skills, and business ethics. And they learn that all through the cookie program as they age, from daisies all the way up to our senior ambassadors. They learn different skills along with the cookie program that kind of match their age range.
All right. And speaking of cookies, you were telling me a little bit about some girls that made a cookie donation recently.
Yes. So actually this past cookie season, we did a fun incentive that girls could opt out of earning the prizes that you can get from selling cookies. So sometimes you can earn like a bike or you can earn a t-shirt. But these girls opted out to donate cookies to their favorite organizations and charities. So I'm just going to name them. They're in the area. So Lainey Sperry, Emily Little, Zoe Timmons, Anna Woods, Aubrey Fadley, Abby Clark, Addison Cotton, Bonnie Chapman, and Katie Chapman. Oh. And they all made the donation, which is just outstanding. It's amazing that we have girls like that want to make an impact in their community at all times.
Well, Lauren, I'm really glad that we could give them a shout out because that just shows how they're giving back and growing as young women as well. That's awesome. Anything else you'd like to add?
Actually, yes. Download the Cookie Finder app.
Ooh.
So that you never miss a chance out of finding your Girl Scout cookies near you. You get to buy them local. So just go in the App Store, Cookie Finder, and it should say Girl Scouts on it, and it has a little Thin Mint on it, so you kind of know. It also does the countdown, which is really nice. That way you'll know where in your area cookie season starts, and you can find booths near you, which is really convenient.
All right, sounds like a plan. Download the Cookie Finder app today. All right, and remember, the fall sales for the fall products end on November 22nd, so get on that very quickly. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Lauren.
Thank you for having me.
All right, we'll be right back.